So today, me, Sammy, well, that was dumb. Mina and I are joined by our newest addition, Hattie. She's arrived on the scene about a month ago, and today we're going to attempt to make a winter tabbouleh with blood orange dressing. It's from this cookbook, Palestine, by Sami Tamimi and Wigley. It is a cookbook about Palestinian food, and it is absolutely scrumptious. To put the bulgur. I wouldn't recommend eating it. We gotta cook it. Cinnamon, allspice, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Pour it. Good. That's olive oil with dry bulgur. Let's let it cook. I appreciate that you want to try everything first though. That's cool. That's kind of cool. The boiling water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a medium saute pan with a lid. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then cover the pan, remove from the heat, and set aside for 30 minutes. Do you want to make the dressing? So it says, okay, I think I have to wear her. Yeah, it's okay, Bubba. It's okay. So to make the dressing, we combine the orange juice, lemon juice, cinnamon, allspice, molasses, and sugar in a bowl with 1/8 teaspoon of salt and a good grind of black pepper. Whisk to combine, and then continue to whisk as you slowly add the oil until thick and emulsified. Set aside. Green. Yeah, see, it's the same. Put the kale into a bowl with the remaining 1 teaspoon of oil and a tiny pinch of salt. Using your hands, which you have, mix well, gently massaging the leaves, then set aside. You want to kiss the manga? You love, is it soft? Manga. Tip the cooled bulgur into a very large bowl and add the cabbage, parsley, mint, green onions, oranges, whoa! What do you think? You can lick it. It's an orange. It's just a different color. ¾ teaspoon of salt and a generous grind of black pepper. We added our kale and our pomegranates, and now we're gonna pour the dressing all over the salad. Can you hold it with Mama? There we go. So we wanna pour it all evenly over the salad like that. Okay, you can do the rest. Go ahead, do the rest on your own. Oh, okay. We'll work on the even part, huh? So now we're gonna taste it. So get yourself a yummy bite. Yeah, sure. Taste whatever bite you want. If you want the oranges, try the oranges. Oh, that's purple. That's cabbage. I'm gonna try this bite right here. Crunchy. Refreshing. Tastes like tabbouleh, but with the oranges. You want this bite, Munchkin? With orange, just the orange? And the bulgur? Try that. Is that part good? Yum. You ate it all? Does Papa want to try?